You're hearing something unique. It's radio for the sports fan. It's WFAN.
For all the great moments in sports, then and now, Sports Radio 1050, WFAN, New York City. All sports, all the time.
When MS Broadcasting's WFAN New York became the first all-sports radio station in America, they came to jam for a new musical identity. The result was Sports Radio, a series of themes, stagers, and vocal IDs with a sound designed to match the station. You're hearing Cut 1, the top-of-the-hour production sequence. Cut 2 is the sports headline sounder. Cut 3, the news update sounder. The next 4 cuts are 30-second program themes, which can also be used as station promo beds. Cut 4.
Hi. Sports Radio 1050 WFAN.
Cut 5.
Sports Radio 1050 WFAN.
Cut 6.
Sports Radio 1050 WFAN.
Cut 7.
Sports Radio 1050 WFAN.
Introduce and promote your sports coverage with Cut 8.
Sports Radio 1050 WFAN.
Use Cut 9 for your sports talk show.
Sports Radio 1050 WFAN.
2 hours.
Cut 10 is an instrumental rejoin bumper. It's played after a commercial set to lead back into the program.